Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open your page number 14. Today our topic is our clothes. We must also keep our clothes clean. How we should keep our clothes clean, we learn on this chapter. Yasir and Anam are helping their mother. She is busy washing clothes. Look at this picture. She is Anam, he is Yasir, and she is mother of them. And she is busy for washing clothes. Anam and Yasir are hanging them out to dry, and they both are hanging their clothes to dry. When the cloths are dry, the children will fold them neatly, and when the cloths are dry, then they will fold them very neatly. We all wear clothes. Clothes cover and protect our bodies. We all wear clothes. We all wear clothes in different seasons. For example, in winter, we wear warm clothes like jackets, we wear warm caps, long shoes to protect and cover our body. When it is cold, we wear warm clothes, and when it is hot in the summer season, we wear light clothes. At school, we wear a uniform. When we go to school, we wear a uniform. So, in different seasons, we wear different clothes. So, now we know how we keep our clothes clean. We should washing them, and we should help to our mothers when she is doing work. Okay, now I am asking question to you. What clothes do you wear in winter? In winter we wear warm clothes. What cloth do you wear in summer? In summer we wear light clothes. Make a list of the clothes you are wearing. Now we wear different type of cloth, like in winter we wear warm cloth which protect and cover our body, like we wear jackets, warm pants, and in the summer we wear t-shirt. This boy we wear t-shirt, shorts, and when we go to school we wear uniform. So in different seasons we wear different clothes. Look at this girl. Girls also wear frocks. So today's your homework is read page number 14. Look at the pictures below, match the correct name to each picture, then tell your teacher what each one is used for. Okay. Now, where is towel? Now match it with towel. We use towel to dry our body. We use comb. Match it with the picture of comb. And we use comb for brushing hair. Toothpaste, match it with the diagram of toothpaste, and we use toothpaste for brushing teeth. Nail clippers, here is nail clipper, match it with nail clipper. We use nail clipper for cutting nails. Handkerchief, with handkerchief here. Now match it with this diagram. We use handkerchief for cleaning our nose, soap, match the diagram of soap, match the word soap with this diagram. This is soap. And why we use soap? Soap is used for washing our hands. Look at B part, fill in the blanks. I use dash and dash to wash my hands. Now look at here, number 1. I use dash and dash to wash my hands. I use water, W-A-T-E-R, water, and dash soap, S-O-A-P, soap, to wash my hands. I use dash to cut my nails. I use nail clippers to cut my nails. Now write it here. N A I L, nail. C L I P E R S. I use a dash to keep my nose clean. I use a handkerchief. H-A-N-D, hand. Kerchief. I brush my dash in the morning and at night. I brush my teeth. Teeth. I dash my hair to look neat. I brush my hair. I brush my hair to look neat. And you also write comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Okay. You write it comb also, C-O-M-B, comb. I comb my hair to look neat. Pick the correct answer. We wear warm clothes when it is hot, sunny, or cold. Write it here. When it is cold, we wear warm clothes. We dash our clothes to make them clean. We wash, brush, dry. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. When our clothes have been washed and dry, we should fold them neatly, put them on the floor. We should fold them neatly. Write it, fold them neatly. F-O-L-D, fold. T-H-E-M, them, neatly. N-E-A-T-L-Y, neatly. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.